The latest song, American Eagle, AE. Yeah, tell us about that.
Well, as me tell you now one knock, comes a boops and like the near send the rhythm forward, you see me? And we have the rhythm couple and thing, and this man have the rhythm and makes the rhythm, me have the rhythm and makes the rhythm, and you see me? It's like we now connect. You see me? So we come to boops and link up at the and say, yo, here we go on. We have made the rhythm together. And I'm sitting, a youth named Jet Black, which is my family. You see me? Same time the dog walk up in an American Eagle shirt and thing. Big eagle a picture of and chest and sit now, we just did it. But he read him a bounce and, you see me? We just, you know, take it for fun. The eagle a picture of me. Until we say, yo, I hit that, you know, and we just work on it. You see me? And me and the artist I do 10 points. Make them hear your voice. Tell them how the thing work.
In a real life, Knock. You know what I mean? You know the things that, you know, American Eagle are one of the most, when you say, you know, everybody will gravitate to American Eagle because you get to understand something people love. You understand? And when you say polyester, you know 100% cotton or polyester. You see me? So, it's a song like I rock the place, I go take the summer. In a real life, Pink Boss. You see me? My brother in a real life. Big up De Niro. My daddy big up Andrew Blacks. Big up Gozo, see me. Tamale straight UIM. One knock, you see me?
But it's a planting. Pink Boss in an eagle, you in an eagle.
That's a picture off, man, isn't it?
So, as you had mentioned, that song is featured on the Great Rhythm, right? UIM, sorry, Records. You see me? So, it's a good song. I've been listening to it and it's really up. Like it's going to take over the summer for real. Yeah. So, I know that you're doing a lot of collaboration and you're putting out good music. You also have that single with Diverse.
Yeah. Well, that single with Diverse, the one there history. I want to tell you, say, you know, say, at them day we had boring dog and say, here I go on. No, me I take go to a bar, I go on with a little vibes. I'm stay some whoops and running at this girl, you see me? Yeah, and she did there and I say, Pink Boss, you know, say me an artist and thing, and you see me? Me I say, hey, let me hear something. And she comes some whoops and give me her phone, and I kind of like her voice, and me I say, yo, why waste time? Because we go in the studio. You see me? And we come to whoops and drive going to the studio. And we're there in the studio and we reach in and we say, engineer, play something. And we're there and, you see me? I saw that one day up forward. You see me? Big up Diverse, bad artist. You don't know she talented. You see me? Big her up.
And I've been seeing that song is getting a lot of traction on social media. So our fans reacting to you directly with regards to both songs, both the American Eagle and the Forever with Diverse.
As me say now one knock, you see Forever, the girl them love that song there. Sometimes when the people them text me and say, Pink Boss, send me some of your song and I come to Boops and shot them some song. By the time I come to Boops and look, them a text me and I say, yo, me and your favor. I love a song there. So I say, yeah, it a work. The female, them love that one there. American Eagle, right now, every youth I say Eagle right now. You see me? And I tell you, from we say Eagle, all the junk of them and the pigeon, them and the Barbie love them as well. You feel like a joke? Yeah, right now I look for a man in a one junko. You see me? Yeah.
Probably all beat all I do with the Clarks, man. Everybody I go run for the Eagle them time.
You don't know the thing already, man.
Alright, so on that, you have a new song also, Not Trustworthy. I like the flow on that. So tell us a little bit about the building of that song, how you made that song.
Well, as me tell my brother, 10 point. You don't know that our next UIM production, you see me, Andrew Blacks, big up yourself, you see me? Don't know, as you say, we get the rhythm, and you know, we did it, and we just vibe the rhythm together, and you see me? Yeah, two we did that thing about a specific girl at the same time. You see me? So we just come some whoops and say, here we go on. Dog, you know you have some girl in a loyalty thing, you see me? So, you see me? We just come some whoops and just put it up a thing, you see it?
As me there say, the flow up on the song, them rate it. Rate how you deal with it. You see me?
Straight, manners.
So, knowing that people know you now, right?
Straight.
You're putting out music. Are you going to put out any EP, mixtape or album anytime soon?
Well, to be honest, you know, I don't think so. Not for right now. You see me? We just there currently I work on some singles. You see me? Yeah, you don't know. We have songs like Carry On, I Get Rotation, you don't know. The Eagle said, yeah. You see me? Work in progress, you see me? Don't know. Big up DJ Wayne. You see me? From a man like Weasel say, yo, Pink Boss, you're talented. and me a gear run. You see me have to big him up. Cause you don't know whistle them. And them man they say Vibes Cartel. You see me from them man they say Pink Boss. You know the thing, right, Pizzo?
Alright. So earlier when I call it today about 12 times I call you and no answer, I wonder what happened to Pink Boss. So tell us what go on last night.
I want to tell us, me and 10 point them. Come so boops. And go perform over Eltham. Then we shot from Eltham. Go chill on here one place in Wakefield. You see me? Go burn off the next piece of Wakefield. And we stay some boops and forward in for stop a big man for your show. I see them there, run away be there. But by the time we reach a party, they're done. You see me? So when we reach in this morning, I couldn't help it. I have to just go sleep. I see her. You see me? Yeah, man.
So it seems like it's going to be a busy summer because I see on your Instagram you have a lot of posters up. So tell us about some of those shows that are coming up. Where can fans see
you don't know, you know. We are get some shows, you see me? I don't know what if promoters reach out to you and thing, you see me? But some of the show them not confirm as yet, but you don't know we have Claude Mackey to go next week. You see me? Me even have a show today, some place in Orange Street or Kingston. You see me? And you don't know. We have the 15th, you don't know. That one they not go normal, you see me? You don't know. A whole heap of shows, I don't even remember them. My manager have called me and say, yo, Pink Boss, you know, say, Budu up. You see me? Yeah, because I don't even to keep track of them. Because I tell them I'm always up.
So, as you mentioned, today is July 1, Reggae Day. That is the show that you'll be performing on, the Reggae Day concert.
No, not Reggae Day. I want to tell us, I don't even remember where show name already. I just know, say, promoter book me for you first. And July, you see me? Yeah.
So, big up to that promoter.
Yeah, man. Russian, big up yourself.
So, you said about your management team. So, fans, overseas fans, because I know that you have a strong fan following of fans. So, are there any promoters reaching out to you from overseas, trying to get Pink Boss to perform overseas?
Well, to be honest, you see me, big up Ricardo Kelly and Skelly, you see me? Don't know, them my first promoter, you see me? Really give me a show off, you see me? Jamaica, sure, so you don't know the thing go, big them up, you see me? We got Cayman in our day, and sitting right now, we have a England tour pending, you see me? Don't know Pink Boss and Fort Jenna, you don't know the one pending, so as soon as it confirm, me make you know, you see me?
Alright, so tell us about that Cayman show that you went to.
Well, I want to tell you, say, I stay some boops and reach a Cayman in a one knock. Come so boom, daddy, and draw for my thumb drive. You see me? And come so boops and flick it in the laptop and you come so no redeem, no jump up. You say, oh, go on. You see me? A good thing when I stay on the left, daddy. Me just see one CD, just a look for me, so when I took the suitcase and I cut out of the house the morning, I just take up the CD and put it in the suitcase. I want to tell you, I come to books and try the CD, daddy. I'm a reading CD. You see me? I tell you, I'm not telling no lie, I'm afraid. And the next thing, you see me reach at the venue, and I see the crowd. I say, Jesus Christ, I force me to perform off a Jamaican style. I wonder if them people know my song. I want me to react. I wonder if they go boo me. You see me? I just come to books and just hold my composure. I want me to stay and walk out on Cayman stage. I boodle up, me go boodle up over there. You see me? To how me I deal with it. Even Tanto Blacks running for me set. Tanto, remember you're running for me set for you. You see me? I take over my show and I give me back. No, you see ya? Big up yourself still. Yeah, man. Me I tell you, that's even Tanto. If you come to me and say, Pink Boss, you know you're a real artist. You're a big artist, you know. Tanto look for me, Pink Boss. We're a songwriter. We write too much song. You see me? I say, Pink Boss, I know me feel like a cheese song alone that they have. Big up Tanto still. You see me? What you wouldn't understand. Remember in a Tanto, I book for that show there. You see me? So you don't know me have to go in my catalog. You see me? When you call me out on a stage, me have to just do a song them where people don't know. So that's why I always do them cheese song. You see me? What other cheese song me have? Yeah.
So by all indication, fans from Cayman are with you then?
Yeah, man, I want to tell you, say, them send for me at the evening, promoter them, I people them over there. You see me? Because them say, yo, them love the image. You see me? Yeah, man, you don't know, we go present ourselves to them proper, because when they see some books and link up with us, say, yo, designer, here we go on. We need 2 bad suit. You see me? Yeah, and the designer just bought up two things and, you see me? We gonna shock them. I make them see how we deal with the pink, you see it?
Alright, so for fans who haven't are not following you currently, where can they find you on social media?
Well, you don't know. Instagram, Real Pink Boss, you see me? Facebook, Pink Boss Official, or Real Pink Boss, you see me? And you don't know. Number, you know, management, you don't know. 371 0425, you see me? Elric, you don't know. 371 0425, you don't know my bookings number that, you see me? You don't know. If you dub plate them and the jingle them, you don't know. Pink Boss 1989, you see me? That are the email. No, I mean, she email. You see me?